Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for always watching me. Today we are going to prepare some green chili sauce. Very simple, easy and tasty to prepare. You are going to love every bit of it. And so before we go on, I want to plead with you. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like and share this video. Click on the bell icon and leave a comment. Okay, so let's get started. I have some bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onions. I have garlic, ginger and onion. I'm not using too much onion. If you use too much onion, your pepper is going to be bitter. You're going to have some bitter taste. So the two onions are okay. Besides, you're also adding spring onions, and I'm going to use green chili as well. So I'm going to chop all my vegetables, starting with the bell pepper. Yes, please like and share this video for me. I want to say thank you for all those who watch my videos, those who like and leave a comment, and those who also share. I say God bless you. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And also, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, or you just bump into my video, please do well to subscribe for me. Okay, so I have my oil on fire. I just added the green chili. I'm going to stir fry all my vegetables a bit before I blend them. So I added my garlic and ginger. So all my ingredients, I'll stir fry them a bit. Yes, and I'm not going to use water to blend this. You get it? So I'm going to cover this for some few minutes before I'll add the spring onions to it. You know that spring onions, they don't take long in cooking or becoming tender. Do you get it? So this is it. And so I'm going to add the spring onions to it. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment for me. Okay, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notifications. Okay, so at this time it's ready. I'm going to put up the fire, set it aside and let it cool completely. Yes, so this is the last time. I'll let it cool completely and then we will blend it. Okay. And so I'm going to make use of this blender, which is SQ Professional. The brand is SQ Professional. I have the review or the unboxing there and also a review on it, so you can watch and then get to know about it. Okay, so we are going to blend this. As I said, we are not using any water. I'm just using the oil to blend all the ingredients. So I'm now blending the first batch. I'm blending the second batch also. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment for me. Okay, so I have my pan on fire. I just poured all the blended ingredients in the pan, and then I'm going to add some. I'm going to raise the blender with water, a little bit of water, and then stir it together. I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So I'm adding all pepper seasoning. I'm going to add black pepper, white pepper, and then I'm adding complete seasoning also. So add any seasoning of your choice. Do you get it? Okay, so stir it very well. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook very well. Yes, so this is it. I'm stirring it again. You don't have to just leave it there. It can burn under, so once a while you come and check and then stir it up so that it doesn't mess. So I just added bay leaves. I'm adding negro pepper to it. Just use the seasonings and the seasonings and spices that you want. Okay. And so I'm going to cover and then let it cook again. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add natural mixed spices that I blended myself, okay, to it. So natural mixed spices, then I just blended them, or sorry, grinded them myself. That's what I just added. And I'm going to add salt also to it. Yes, I'm going to add my salt. And so this is very simple green chili sauce. It tastes so great. Okay, so just adjust the quantity of the ingredients, that is especially the seasoning and the spices, to your preference. Okay, and hey, don't use a lot of onions if you don't want it to be bitter. And so chili sauce, green chili sauce, is getting ready, or is almost ready. Yes, you see. Yes, very nice, very tasty. And so this is it. Please like and share this video, leave a comment. So I'll cover again and then lower it for it to simmer for some time. So this is it. Finally, our green chili sauce is ready. This you can serve it with rice, bangkun, fried yam, or plantain, or anything you want some chili sauce. You can use it and you will love every bit of it. Hope you get it. Yes, and so please like and share this video for me, leave a comment and share. It's very important. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please do so for me. Have a blessed day. Watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.